In this video, we are going to discuss the nature of roots. This is part 2 of the video because here we will be continuing with the previous topic only. Let us take one example. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 is our quadratic equation, and they are asking you to find out the nature of roots. So we have written the values of a, b and c after comparison with the standard form. Now the value of d was b square minus 4ac. So it is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So it is 9 minus 5 4s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So this is coming out to be minus 31. Now since the value of d is less than 0, therefore by our formula it has no real roots or it has imaginary solutions. Or the other way I can say it has no solutions. So I can write this whenever I am solving such questions. Now there are some questions in which we have to find out the condition. Let us have a look at those questions. Now let us take up the next question. Find out the value of k so that this given equation has equal roots. When we have to find out whether the roots are equal or not, again we are talking of nature of roots. So we'll find out the value of d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now I'm trying to write it out directly. The value of b is k, so k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So this will be equal to k square minus 4, 3, 12, 2s are 24. Now they are saying that the roots are equal. If roots are equal, that means what? Roots are equal if the value of d is equal to 0. That means k square minus 24 is equal to 0. And now if I have to find out the answer for this, then the value of k will be equal to, you can write this as k square is equal to 24. So k ki value will be equal to square root of 24. So 4, we can write 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So that means now take this out. So k is equal to 2 root 6. Now it will be plus minus, because plus minus 2 root 6 ka whole square is 24 and minus 2 root 6 ka whole square is 24. Like if I say k is equal to 2, तब भी k square की value is 4. If I say k is equal to minus 2, तब भी k square की value is 4. So whenever I will take square root, I have to use this symbol plus minus root 4 so that I get all the answers. Now let us discuss next question. Px square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0, and you have to find the value of p so that the roots are real. Now they are saying roots are real. Again we'll find out the value of d. So what is d? d is equal to 4 root 3 square b square minus 4 into p into 3. So we'll just write down for the value. So it is 16 3s are 48 minus 4 3s are 12p. Now for real roots, what is the condition for real roots? Either d is greater than 0 or equal to 0, because they are just saying real. If they would have told you that their roots are real but unequal, then I would have taken d greater than 0. But now since they are saying roots are real, therefore d is greater than equal to 0. So we'll write to 48 minus 12p is greater than equal to 0. So 48 is greater than 12p. Now 4 is greater than, divide by, when you divide this completely by 12, then 12 4s are 48. So p, or you can read this as other way, p is less than equal to 4. So the value of p should be less than equal to 4 so that the roots of given equation are real. Now what if they are asking the roots are not equal? When will the roots be not equal? That means they are asking for the second part, and the second part says roots are real but not equal. Unequal roots. That means the value of d should be greater than 0. So whatever I have done here, I will do the same thing. 48 minus 12p is greater than 0. And then you will solve it. 48 is greater than 12p. So p is less than 4. Now roots are unequal if the value of p is less than 4 and roots are real, may be equal, may be not equal if the value of p is less than equal to 4. And when will the roots be equal? For equal roots, क्या होगा equal roots के लिए? d की value should be 0. So now how to find out the d की value equal to 0? You'll just equate 48 minus 12p is equal to 0. So value of p will be equal to 4. So if I equate p is equal to 4, then I'll get equal roots. You can check this by putting this back into the equation. Put p is equal to 4 in the given equation and you can find out that the roots are real, right? So I was telling you that if I put p is equal to 4, then there will be equal roots. Let us check this. P is equal to 4, so it is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So let us find out the value of d. d will be equal to b square minus 4ac. So 4 root 3 ka square minus 4 into 3. So 16 3s are 48 minus 48 and the answer is 0. So you can verify whether your answer is correct or not. Take one more question. Px into x minus 3 plus 9 is equal to 0. Find the value of p so that the roots are real and equal. Now since this is not the form of quadratic equation, we have to just reduce it to standard form. Px square minus 3px plus 9 is equal to 0. So now it is standard form. A is equal to p, b is equal to minus 3p and c is equal to 9. So for equal roots, the value of d has to be equal to 0. Now for equal roots, equal का मतलब क्या हो गया? b square minus 4ac. So I am writing d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So it will be minus 3p का whole square minus 4 into p into c is 9. So 9p square minus 36p is equal to 0. So I'll take 9p common out of it. So I'll get p minus 4 is equal to 0. Remember, you are not going to cut anything because this is quadratic equation. अगर मैं यहाँ से cut कर दूँगी तो एक आंसर cancel हो जाएगा. Now I have two answers, either p is equal to 0 or p is equal to 4. We have to see whether these two answers are possible or not. If I put p is equal to 0, see, if I put p is equal to 0 in the question, then what will happen? This part will vanish. And that means I am left with 9 plus 9 is equal to 0. So that means p is equal to 0 is not the correct answer. And the final answer for the roots to be real and equal are p should be equal to 4. Right?